Hey everyone, Vic from Vic's Garage. Today we're going to do a quick 5-minute video on how to change your cabin air filter on a 2012 Chrysler Town & Country. And this is going to be the same for all the Dodge Caravans and Chrysler Town & Countries for this generation. I feel like the cabin air filter is one of those parts that gets routinely forgotten, and it can have a big performance impact on your HVAC system in the vehicle. I mean, your heating, air conditioning all blows through this filter, and if you got a clogged filter, it can really affect the performance, making the AC motor work harder, the air come out warmer or more stale, and it's a simple fix. So we're having a few air conditioning problems with this vehicle right now, and it's just low-hanging fruit. I'm going to check this. I'm sure it's never been done on this vehicle. I'm just as guilty as everyone else as forgetting to do these simple things sometimes. So we're gonna pull it out, take a look at it, and show you how to replace it. Let's get to it. This is a quick and easy one. So first thing for removing the cabin air filter on these vans is there's this little tab right here. This is for the self closer or the slow opener. I find it's easy to do with just a little screwdriver. Hook it, push it up and out. There you go. And then that retracts. And then from here, you just want to push these tabs in. You'll see how it unhooks both sides. And then that's open. Here's your self closer. You can see this is all it is. So next, here is your cabin air filter. We'll see how bad this one is, because I'm assuming it's never been changed. So just two tabs. And you can see this one is pretty bad. So I'm going to use a screwdriver again and just try to get as much of this debris out, just to make sure it doesn't get further into the system before I pull it out. And then just grab it and remove it. And then I'm gonna get a little shop vac and just try to vacuum that out the best I can. The other thing, when you take it out, you want to make sure that you know the orientation for the airflow. So airflow down and into it. So when you put the new one in, you got to make sure you put it in the same direction. Okay, so here we are. We see the same airflow direction as when I took it out. Airflow down. We will just put it back in. Plate lettering up. Make sure the clips are in. Okay, so for reassembly, we just got to hook this back in. So lift up the glove box and just feed it in. Might help if you push the sides in first. Slide the tab down, make sure the clips are on the side, and that's it. Changed your cabin air filter. Okay everyone, that's a quick and simple one. As you can tell, this one was pretty bad and forgotten for quite a while, even before I bought this vehicle. But now you know how to do it. It's very simple to do. It's not very expensive, and it can have an impact on the performance of your vehicle. Didn't quite solve my heating air conditioning problems. Still blowing hot air. We got some other things we're going to check maybe next week we're going to do, and I'll make sure to show you how we're going to charge it and test it and find the leak, hopefully within the system. So we will go through that next week, but that's how you do the cabin air filter. Quick, simple, easy to do. Check your cabin air filters and change them. That's it for this one. Take it easy. See you next time.